Are you looking for a great way to get into the espresso world? This machine is a great starting point. While I tell you all about it, let's make some coffee. This is the Espresso Machine with a steamer. It is a 20-bar espresso coffee machine with a 1,000 milliliter removable water tank for cappuccinos, lattes, espressos, all that good stuff. It has a stainless steel finish, which just looks great. You can choose between 1 cup or 2 cup. Obviously, it has a steamer, and it works really fast. It takes about 25 to 45 seconds to make a cup. It really does come with all of the basic equipment you need to get started doing this. What do you say we go see how it actually tastes? All right, we've done it. This is the first batch that I'm making. I'm gonna try. We have both an espresso and I'm calling this a micro latte. So it was very fun. Everything worked well. Makes the espresso super fast, nice and easy. The steamer worked really well. I made a lot of milk here, so I'm gonna have to drink a lot of this stuff when we get done shooting it. But first, let's try our espresso. That is absolutely delicious. I don't think that was the biggest test. This is the biggest test, not of the machine, but of my foaming technique. Let's see how this is. This is really good. I like the micro latte. I like the micro latte. I like the machine. This is definitely a winner. If you're asking me, this is a great way to go. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.